Welcome to part 3 of Mastering the Project Management Essential Knowledge. This video covers 20 essential project management FAQs and multiple choice questions for interviews and exams in 2026. Question 41. A key stakeholder requests a new feature that adds value but impacts schedule and cost. What should the project manager do first? A. Reject the request. B. Escalate to senior management. C. Analyze impact and initiate change control. Or D. Implement partially. The correct answer is C. Analyze impact and initiate change control. The PM must first assess the impact before making any decision. Question 42. Your project is meeting schedule targets, but stakeholders are unhappy. What is the most likely cause? A. Poor scope definition. B. Lack of stakeholder engagement. C. Ineffective risk management. Or D. Inaccurate cost estimates. The correct answer is B. Lack of stakeholder engagement. Meeting the schedule does not necessarily equate to stakeholder satisfaction. Question 43. A team member consistently misses deadlines due to unclear requirements. What should the PM address? A. Team performance. B. Communication gaps. C. Resource allocation. Or D. Schedule compression. The correct answer is B. Communication gaps. The root cause of missed deadlines due to unclear requirements is a failure in communication. Question 44. During execution, an identified risk occurs. What should it now be treated as? A. Assumption. B. Constraint. C. Issue. Or D. Change request. The correct answer is C. Issue. Once a risk materializes, it transitions into an issue that needs to be resolved. Question 45. A project has strict regulatory requirements. Which constraint should the PM prioritize most? A. Schedule. B. Cost. C. Scope. Or D. Compliance. The correct answer is D. Compliance. Regulatory requirements are a critical constraint that typically takes precedence over others. Question 46. A sponsor wants faster delivery without changing scope. What is the best option? A. Add more resources blindly. B. Use schedule compression techniques. C. Reduce quality checks. Or D. Skip documentation. The correct answer is B. Use schedule compression techniques. These techniques are designed to shorten the schedule without altering the scope. Question 47. A vendor consistently delivers late but within SLA limits. What should the PM do? A. Terminate the contract. B. Ignore since SLA is met. C. Conduct performance review and corrective action. Or D. Replace vendor immediately. The correct answer is C. Conduct performance review and corrective action. Although the SLA is met, consistent delays warrant a proactive performance review. Question 48. Which situation best indicates poor integration management? A. Frequent change requests. B. Misalignment between plans and execution. C. Stakeholder conflict. Or D. Budget overruns. The correct answer is B. Misalignment between plans and execution. Integration management is about coordinating all aspects of the project, including aligning plans with the actual work. Question 49. Your project uses a hybrid model. A change affects sprint scope. What should the PM do? A. Reject changes in Agile. B. Update backlog and align stakeholders. C. Freeze scope immediately. Or D. Wait for project closure. The correct answer is B. Update backlog and align stakeholders. In a hybrid or agile environment, changes are handled by managing the backlog and ensuring stakeholder alignment. Question 50. A team member raises a concern that was not previously identified as a risk. What should the PM do? A. Ignore until validated. B. Add it directly as an issue. C. Record and assess it as a risk. Or D. Escalate immediately. The correct answer is C. Record and assess it as a risk. Any new concern should be formally identified and assessed through risk management processes. Question 51. Which KPI best indicates project health from a management perspective? A. Number of tasks completed. B. Team utilization. C. Stakeholder satisfaction. Or D. Hours worked. The correct answer is C. Stakeholder satisfaction. Management typically prioritizes the successful delivery of value, which is best measured by stakeholder satisfaction. Question 52. A project is within budget but behind schedule. What should the PM analyze first? A. Cost variance. B. Risk register. C. Critical path. or D, stakeholder register? The correct answer is C, critical path. Since the project is behind schedule, analyzing the critical path will reveal the activities causing the delay and where to focus corrective action. Question 53. A stakeholder keeps bypassing the PM and giving instructions directly to the team. What should the PM do? A, ignore to avoid conflict. B, escalate immediately. C, reinforce communication protocols respectfully. Or D, remove stakeholder access. The correct answer is C, reinforce communication protocols respectfully. This is the most professional and governance-focused way to address the issue. Question 54. Which scenario best demonstrates scope creep? A, approved feature addition with revised baseline. B, additional reports added without approval. C, change requested by sponsor. Or D, schedule re-estimation. The correct answer is B, additional reports added without approval. Scope creep is the unauthorized addition of work. Question 55. APM focuses heavily on documentation but ignores team morale. What is the most likely outcome? A, improved compliance. B, faster delivery. C, increased risk of burnout and delays. Or D, higher quality deliverables. The correct answer is C, increased risk of burnout and delays. Neglecting the human element of the team will negatively impact productivity and schedule. Question 56. A project has multiple conflicting stakeholders. What tool is most useful? A, RACI matrix. B, power interest grid. C, Gantt chart. Or D, risk breakdown structure. The correct answer is B, power interest grid. This tool helps a PM understand and prioritize engagement strategies for stakeholders with varying levels of power and interest. Question 57. Which action best supports value delivery as per PMBOK7? A, strictly following the original plan. B, maximizing documentation. C, delivering outcomes aligned with business needs. Or D, preventing all changes. The correct answer is C, delivering outcomes aligned with business needs. PMBOK7 emphasizes value realization through outcomes, not just outputs. Question 58. APM skips lessons learned to save time. What is the biggest risk? A, budget overrun. B, compliance issues. C, repeating mistakes in future projects. Or D, delayed closure. The correct answer is C, repeating mistakes in future projects. The primary purpose of lessons learned is continuous improvement and preventing recurrence of errors. Question 59. A project team is technically strong but fails to collaborate. What competency is lacking? A, technical expertise. B, leadership and soft skills. C, risk management. Or D, quality assurance. The correct answer is B, leadership and soft skills. Collaboration issues stem from a lack of effective team management and interpersonal skills. Question 60. What is the most important role of a project manager? A, making all decisions. B, controlling the team. C, managing processes and enabling delivery. Or D, doing technical work. The correct answer is C, managing processes and enabling delivery. The PM is responsible for structuring the project environment to facilitate success. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment your score out of 60. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel to continue learning efficiently and growing your career. Good luck!